Hey everyone, this is the Big D here. I thought I'd do a little quick video before I get into the metric system video. As you can see here, I've got me a package that was sent to me yesterday. Got it upside down. Or do I? It was sent him by the bookseller, Cellar. I went a little shopping on Amazon, got me this here a few books, and they're based on the Zoom reboot, which I'm going to be talking about on the TV log early next year. So I'm going to try and take my time and open this box right here. So let's see what we got. Yeah, it's going to take me a moment. Stand by, folks. Just so that I don't damage. Yeah, I've never actually gotten a package like this before. This is different than any other package. There we go. Wow. And now for the other part. Okay, got my receipt here. Thank you. There we are. Zoom Fun Outside. Now, this, of course, is the last book to be released on the reboot Zoom and what have you. As you can see on the cover, we see Zoe right up there, and here's some others. We got Elisa, and there's Claudio, and there's Ray, and of course Caroline, whose birthday was last week. Anyway, I'm about to take a look, see all them, the others, and what have you. Got Kenny, and we got Jesse. And this has got a lot of stuff in here, including some Zoom guests and What's Up bits, just like from the TV show itself. Oh yeah, and there's even, and of course there's Fanny Doolies as well. And I'll give you a little glimpse of that. There's some stuff, including, here's one I've seen on the actual show itself. An actual big, something that can make a big bubble and what have you. And I saw Claudio and Kenny make that. Very neat, and it shows pics from earlier seasons as well. Here I've see one pic with Zoe and Jared, may he rest in peace, and there's and Keiko and Lenise. And here's some and here's some Zuma Cum Laude stuff. Of course, that would be Zoom into action later on. Incredible. And of course, there's also some fun stuff. There's even stuff they did in Cafe Zoom. And even WW bits. So this is really something, what have you. And of course, here's the Zoomers showing off their stuff and what have you. So that's really cool. Anyway, this is Zoom Fun Outside. I think it looks like a good one. But there's still 3 more books left. I know the first book, Zoom Zingers, is not too far away, so I'll be ready for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. The next episode, Do You Remember, on the metric system will be coming up in a while, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it took so long, but I wanted to show you what it was like, what it looked like, and what have you. So until then, this is your friend, the Big D, saying, see ya.